Europe has around 190,000 small and medium-sized museums, archives, galleries, libraries, open-air museums, and historical collections, with a large heterogeneity of artifacts and materials usually subjected to different environments when exhibited, stored, or loaned. The existence of obsolete environmental monitoring systems, or even the lack of them, often catalyses degradation if compared to the condition of similar cultural artifacts subjected to a tight environmental control in collections with less budgetary restraints. Collectioncare, a European Commission's Horizon 2020 project, is aimed to develop an innovative decision support system for preventive conservation. It integrates current research and technology advances in monitoring systems, wireless communication, big data, cloud computing, and material and multi-material models into a single system. It will monitor the different environmental conditions where artifacts are exposed, with low-cost wireless sensor nodes for each individual cultural artifact at any place, either at exhibition, storage, handling, or during transport. Data collected will be transmitted to a cloud computing platform for big data, where it will be automatically stored, analyzed, and crossed in the cloud with advanced multi-material degradation models. This will be done according to Preventive Conservation normative standards and recommendations in order to draft a strategy to minimize degradation and ensure the long-term preservation of the collections. An interdisciplinary consortium with 18 partners from 9 countries, including renowned research groups and companies, as well as a large number of museums, will face a challenge in Collectioncare project over 3 years. The project will also count on an external advisory board. To know more about Collectioncare project, please visit our website at Collectioncare.Eu or follow us on social media.